What's up guys, welcome back to Pixel Trade. From heading itself you might have guessed what this video is going to be about. We have a new member in our family. This is DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's do the unboxing. So we have a DJI Osmo Pocket 2 creator combo. These are the accessories you can see are provided with the box. Let's open it. Osmo Pocket, few attachments, charging cable. Then they have this extension, just a cable connector. This is be the joystick, and there is one more connector for iPhone, and then we have this is mic for tripod mount. This is the tripod. पढ़ने की चीज़ें, तो इसको फिलहाल अभी हम साइड में रखते हैं. This is DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Let's wait for some time. We'll check it out later. There are two types of connector. There's an Apple one and there's one Type C from where we can use an Android. This is Osmo Pocket extension, where we can see we have a Type C charging option, and then there's a 3.5 mm jack. There's a sound option. This should be attached like. The very important thing you need to know about this product is इसके पार्ट बहुत ही tightly fitted है. So if you want to remove any part or put it back, you need to be very gentle while using it. The only one reason to buy this product was this is very handy and easy to use. I have bought this from photography store Pune. I'll put the detail in the description. They have all the DJI products. You name it, they have it. One thing you need to make sure before switching it on, you need to put this on very horizontal surface and then switch on the gimbal so that it can stabilize. They have provided this joystick to handle this gimbal manually.